Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so today we have, or we had, not sure if we still have, but there we are. We had a very nice crash here. We actually managed to go and reach the 1.36 extension, wave A, wave C. Let me remove the 1.2 so we have less levels here. Just let me check. So A, B, C, yeah, okay. I'm going to toss that on the right side. Can we go lower? Yes, we can, but honestly now we should be good to go if Bitcoin is ready to make a reverse on trend, which is trying to attempt to do here. We do have 5-way up. We do have now an ABC. This could be an extended, so this could have been, I don't know, all this could be just an ABC for the A, so I can just move that around. Oh no, I already did it. So this was the A, this was the B, and now this is the C. Okay, so if that is the case, if this is the C, let's do nano counting. This could have been the A, B, and this is the C, and then in this part here, this could have been the one. Okay, one, 2, or maybe we did a diagonal ABC for a 1, ABC for a 2. Then we can see here a third, a fourth, and a fifth. But or we just did a 1, 2 here. This is the third, this is the fourth, and going lower. So we shall see. But you know, this is nano counting and not even micro counting on a 15 minutes. What's important is the area. We did have the reaction. Now we need to something more crunchy to do to the upside, right? So, and I just want to remember or you know do a recap here. So we're saying that this was a potential 1, this is a potential 2, and now we're working into this third wave in green. And within this third wave, this could be another 1, 2, and this, if it ever happens, this would be the third wave of the third wave. So would be the wave, the most impulsive that we would see. And let's go and check out now the RSI. RSI now, okay, is recovering, is not oversold anymore. We are about to cross the yellow line here, so we shall see. The only thing a little bit annoying, I would say, is that the stock RSI here is already into the overbought. So what that would imply that maybe Bitcoin is not going to skyrocket one shot. Maybe it's going to go a little bit on the side, wait for the stock RSI to go a little bit lower, and then after that, when they're both in lower levels, then it would have enough fuel to skyrocket. We already start to see maybe a slight. You see, it just crossed down the blue line over the orange. So yeah, once again, this is just indicator. What's important now is, and when I switch on the 1 hour, you know, this is short term, right? So it wouldn't validate what I'm saying on the daily. We can still have a third wave and actually have a third, a fourth, and a fifth. And after that, when we will have to do the fourth wave, then that's when maybe perhaps the RSI, the stock RSI on the daily is going to, go even lower. And then because we're going to have perhaps a boring fourth wave, then the stock RSI is going to go lower. So now the important thing is RSI on the daily, we are over sold or just out from oversold. So he has plenty of time to go skyrocket. And this is what I'm looking for now. I think I had another chart. I don't remember what is it. I'm not even sure I want to do that. Let me double check here. I think I was also Let me see. Yeah, it's on my I don't know why my drawings now are not there anymore. Anyway, so I did tell you once again, this would be the third wave that will be working, and after that we're going to make a fourth and a fifth. Now, don't bother for the high that I'm doing, but this would be a very nice level for this third wave. We have the previous resistance here. We got rejected on our wave down. That could be once again acting as a resistance, and we have the MA55. So this would be a level where I'm going to pay attention. We can go even a little bit higher. So 81,256 for this allegedly potential third wave, and then once again a fourth and a fifth. I do now believe that we are into a bear market. Do I give up on making a new all-time high? No, because we can have a high B wave, as I mentioned before many times, but we need to be cautious. So I think it would be smart eventually if we go when we get higher, because I do believe we're going to get higher, that it wouldn't be crazy to take some profits. All right, so anyway, this is my personal analysis and personal strategy. You guys, you need to do your own diligence, and also, on their way down, you can see this is a weak downtrend, but this can perhaps be a player here as a resistance as well, this downtrend line in red. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.